Hi everybody, thanks for coming into my kitchen today. This is Jill for Today. As you know, I will do product reviews every now and then, but it's got to be a product that I think is very nice, one that I'm going to enjoy using, and one that I think that you might enjoy using as well. And I have one of those products today. It is a set of knives that are just so beautiful. It's from the Okingjoy company, and that is a lovely Japanese company that makes beautiful knives. And what I want to tell you right now is, when I heard the name Okingjoy, I wondered what the heck that meant, and it does refer to something, and I'm going to read to you from their website. The name Okingjoy in the brand signifies the pursuit of kingly pleasure, symbolizing the brand's relentless pursuit of ultimate enjoyment in its products. And I think you're going to see that when I show you these knives and I give a demo to you. So let's get started. Well, what can I say? Is this not beautiful or what? This knife set comes in an ashwood box, and here's their logo on it. And it's a very substantial box. This isn't, you know, like a flimsy thing. And it's got a lovely latch, nice locking latch there. You know, when I saw this come out of the box, I said, would this not make a beautiful wedding gift for someone? And look in here, look how beautiful these knives are. There's a paring knife or a utility knife, chef's knife, and then they call this a nakiri knife, and it's kind of like your typical, you know, a Santoko kind of knife. And you get a beautiful card here that introduces the company, introduces the knives. So it's a lovely presentation on its own. And I will take some of these knives out just to show you before I demonstrate them. This is, as I said, this is kind of the paring knife or utility knife. And it's the sharpness of these blades. The website will tell you how sharp, and the bevel on them and all of that, which honestly I don't understand, because I'm not a professional chef or someone who might know what that all entails and what it means. But what I know is I want a good knife, and this is a good knife. All the knives come with this pakkawood knife handle, and I looked at pakkawood. This is an engineered wood, kind of like when you see engineered flooring. It's a combination or composite of different woods that come together, and what it does is it makes a very strong, very water resistant, very heat resistant knife handle, which will maintain its durability and its beautiful comfort for many years without warping and getting how some knife handles do. So I'm going to open up this set. I'm going to show you the chef knife, and then we're going to get into some sampling of knife cutting. Look at this. This is a beautiful knife, and look how the handle just comes together here with the blade, just seamless, and it has such a beautiful weight in the hand. I mean, I love a good knife, and these just are awesome. And then finally, here is what they call the nakiri, which again is kind of your, you know, I look at this as a small cleaver or a Santoko. It's kind of a more common name for them. And again, the knife edge is so beautiful. In fact, these are made of stainless steel, and the company ensures, first of all, they have a warranty and a guarantee on these knives, but they guarantee that you're going to be able to maintain and hold that knife edge for a very, very long time because of the way that they are made. Okay, enough chatting. I'm going to get some fruits and vegetables out here, and we're going to do some cutting. So we're going to start off with the chef's knife, beautiful knife. And I've just got, let me pull that out of the way. I've got some onion here, and we're just going to, and as I said, I'm not a oh my gosh, I'm not a professional chef, and I'm not a professional kitchen, knife expertise, but I know a good knife when I feel it. And I'm telling you what, oh boy, this is a beautiful knife. And I'm just going to cut this up here. And they say with the rocking, and I'm not very good at this, but I can feel this knife it's like butter slicing through these onions. Oh my gosh, it just slices. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Such a lovely, and the weight on that hand, look at how lovely that is. Now, to save the edge on your knife, I don't know how many of you have seen a video, a little short that I did, but when you go to scrape, don't ever you want to talk about dulling a blade quickly, take the back of the blade and scrape it out of the way. And you will save a lot of wear and tear on that knife blade. Okay, so we've done this, and I think I'll just go ahead and set that aside. I may use it again before I'm done here. Here are mushrooms. Now the paring knife can be used for so many different things, but if you're doing small work that you want to have, you know, a better handle on, this is their paring knife. Again, it just feels lovely in the hand, and oh yeah, and let's see how thin we can get here. Oh yeah, look at how thin. Oh yeah, look how nice and thin I was able to get that mushroom. You can almost read a newspaper through that. It just, oh my gosh, it just cuts so beautifully. Now see, if I was someone who was a gourmet cook and used knives all the time and knew how to use these, they'd go crazy. And if you know somebody who's a chef or something, again, what a wonderful, wonderful gift to give someone like that. Okay. That's lovely. And I will show you something else that I discovered with this knife when I was sampling it. Okay, let's do an orange, and we're going to use this beautiful Nakari knife. I'm going to move everything out of the way here so I don't injure myself. And I'm going to just slice through this. Yeah. Yeah, right? It is just... Oh, it just feels so nice. It feels so nice. Right, right, nice. So clean the way it cuts through. And again, the weight is so lovely. It's substantial, and yet it feels really good in the hand, and it's lightweight. You know, you've got that heft to it, but yet it's lightweight. It's beautiful. All right, I'm gonna scoot all this out, and I'll be back with a clean board. And finally, I'm going to show you some great things I've done. I did this with the apple the other day as I was trying these knives out, and I said, oh my gosh, this is incredible. Okay, first of all, this just goes through this apple, you know, like crazy good. Right, just crazy good. And I'm going to slice a couple of these because I want to show you what the paring knife will do. But it's just, look at that. It just goes boink, boink, boink. Boink, boink, boink. Okay, now I want to show you how good this paring knife is. I took one of these the other day and I sliced the peel off this apple. Look at that. Look how thin I was able to get that cut with that paring knife. Look how beautiful that is. I mean, there's nothing left on this peel. It's a beautiful knife. All of them are beautiful knives. So you have seen a demonstration of these Okingjoy knives. They are, you know, they give you a lifetime warranty on these knives. And I can only say I've used them several times. So I can't promote a lifetime warranty other than a company that says a lifetime warranty says a lot about the company and says a lot about the knives. And one thing I wanted to mention about this, which I think is so very wonderful, they have partnered with the One Tree organization. One Tree Planted is what the organization is called. It's a nonprofit, and for every purchase of their knives, they plant a tree, which I think is totally cool. So, you know, you've got this beautiful wood box and you've got the beautiful engineered knife handles, and when you buy a set of knives, they plant a tree, which I think is marvelous. So as I said at the beginning of this video, I will do product reviews, but they're always on an item that I'm excited about and that I think is a good product. And honestly, as you saw the demonstrations, these knives are beautiful. And with a lifetime warranty, that does say a lot about the company and the product. So I hope that you will enjoy trying these knives. As I said, super gifts for different people in your life. And there will be a promotion code down below which will give you a discount at their website. So I'll leave the links for all of that. Now, I'll tell you what, when they see Okingjoy, they are a joy to use. Thanks a lot. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.